Out here with Blake, baby. Gonna be fishing tubes at the river. Let's go. There we go. Oh, son of a gun. That was just a little tiny guy.
What?
That was just a little tiny guy right there. There we go. First little dude.
Come, babe.
Woo! Oh, he felt a lot bigger than he is. Got it. There we go. Was that number 4?
Yeah.
Another beautiful little small jaw. There we go. Another gorgeous little fish there. Another good fish. Oh, that's a nice one. Another nice little guy. Here we go. All right. Move down a little bit so hopefully you guys can hear me better. Let's give it a shot. River fishing problems. There we go. Nice. Chunky little bass. Whoa! Oh. Damn. Went between the legs. There we go, just caught this beautiful river smallie. Probably about 2 pounds. Gonna let her go. See you, Bessie. Woohoo! Awesome. Blake's hooked up with a nice one. There we go. Awesome fish. Beautiful day today. Oh, there you are. What's up, fishy? That's a good one. Better size there. See you go, Bessie. See ya. What do you think, Blake?
I think it's a beautiful day to be out fishing. Woo!
Awesome day, baby. Let's go. It's a good knot. Got him. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting this head right through the body there, pushing it up to the top, and then just breaking that point through so you can tie it up right there. That's how I do my tube jigs. That's how I've done them since I didn't even know how to fish a tube jig. All right, there we go. Bring her over here.
I think I was actually stuck and it came on the rebound.
Come here, Bessie. Oh, that's a good one. Pretty fish. Bang.
Oh, I got it. There you go.
Bang.
Well, that is a nice one. Pretty fish. Come, babe.
See you, Bessie. That's a yish. Yish, 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 yish. Whoa! That's a good one. Running. Oh, choked it. Absolutely choked it. I got you.
Big.
Oh my lord. Boy. All right guys, just caught this beautiful smallie out of the river here. Gorgeous fish. Get a close up on her. Beautiful. These fish are eating crawls, so we're just catching them on tubes right in the rocks. So we're gonna get the release on this one. Beautiful fish. See ya, bub. That's how we do it here, baby. Oh, I got a fish on! I was getting it out from a rock and I popped it and it came on. Bang. Thank you for biting, buddy. Let's see your jump. Jump for us. Hey! It's going crazy. Grab that little mouth. That little mouth. Bang. Bang, bang.
Oh my
Oh, wow.
God. Got me soaked, boy.
Pretty little beb.
Whoa, whoa,
What's
whoa.
in her? What's in her throat?
We got a little crawdad.
Oh! Blake's gonna show us here what we got cranking down there.
You see her in there?
Eating the crawdads.
Little rawdads in there.
Little crawdad. That's awesome, man.
Babe.
Good catch. Let's get the release on her.
Here you go, babe.
Yish another day. Bang.
Babe, good fish.
Yep.
Soaked me.
Awesome. All right, guys. Ending out the day here at the beautiful Faber Dam. So we caught, oh, I'm not sure. I'll put the number right here, how many fish we caught today. So we enjoyed ourselves, had a great time fishing the tube jig, fish that thing. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you next time. 570 Fishing.